the video production and graphics lab, students will use the Adobe Creative Suite to build impactful motion graphics for both creative client usage and creative news usage, as well as learn to execute all facets of a live studio production.
You can get hands-on experience with studio training and After Effects.
A typical day for students in the lab is in the morning, they start with an After Effects motion graphics lesson to deepen their knowledge of motion graphics, and then spend a few hours working with client-driven projects such as Cronkite News and the Cronkite Agency. And after lunch, they're upstairs in the newsroom, in the control room, executing and rehearsing a full live production of a newscast.
We get hands-on experience doing every position around a legacy control room.
When students leave this capstone experience, they'll be able to step into any small market newsroom, production hub, and technical direct or run audio for a nightly newscast, for live studio production, for sports production, as well as being able to take their motion graphics skill forward into social media or web design or for broadcast.